Number 13, if you are looking at something that has only two terms, you want to quickly think, is it a difference of perfect squares? Meaning, is that a subtraction, which it is, and most importantly, is that a perfect square, which it is? The square root of 100 is 10. And when you see that, if it has two terms, it's a difference of perfect squares. We have x and x in our first two spots because that will give us x squared. And we take the square root of 100 and put that in the second spots. One's a plus, one's a minus, and done. Those should be very quick when factoring those difference of perfect squares. Problem number 14 is different because I have three terms. So if I have three terms and no leading coefficient, so I'm not looking for a GCF, I'm going to have my two sets of parentheses. And my first two spots are going to be x and x. And in my second two spots have to be factors of 10. And so I'm going to list them on the side here. I could do 1 and 10 or 2 and 5. But how do I know which ones are the magic numbers? Remember, I have to get negative 11 from them. Well, I cannot get negative 11 from 2 and 5. However, I can get negative 11 from 1 and 10 if I had negative 1 and negative 10. And therefore, this factors into x minus 1 times x minus 10. Now, when you're taking your quiz, you can always refoil those out. And so if I did x times x is x squared. And if I multiply it on the outside, that's minus 10x. On the inside, that's minus 1x. And negative 1 times negative 10 would be positive 10. And so if you FOIL that out, it should be the same as the original. So that's a way to check it. But this is our answer. That is how we factor that original problem.